Wow. Biafrans and lovers of freedom all over the world. Very laughable. Trump shout-out to Nigeria's First Lady. I didn't know these APC folks could celebrate Trump shout-out like this. Same Trump. But seriously, why are so many people melting down over President Trump's shout-out to Nigeria's First Lady? I have noticed that Nigerians play a lot of emotional and sentimental politics. Things don't work that way. This right here is an amazing sign of victory to those who know what's been playing out behind the scenes. I know you're thinking, this man supports everything Trump does. But that's really not the case. I speak the truth based on credible, empirical, verifiable facts, without sentiments. What you need is freedom, right? As long as you get it, you shouldn't be bothered that much how it comes, if that makes any sense. Also, President Trump doesn't make or unmake policies based on emotions. He received Buhari so well in the White House, signed deals with him in front of the cameras, held hands with him and diplomatically praised him publicly. But before Buhari had settled in from that trip, he slammed Nigeria with the CPC, Country of Particular Concern, label. He's just a very respectful, kind and courteous person, but he doesn't make sentimental decisions. However, this particular trip is pivotal in so many ways, and you'll find that out very soon. Let's watch.
We hit him again pretty hard. But we're honored to be joined today by the First Lady of Nigeria, who also happens to serve as a Christian pastor at the largest church in Nigeria, a very respected woman. First Lady, please, where are you? Thank you very much. It's a great honor. Thank you very much. Very respected person, too. Thank you. I'm also working to...
Sábì tí wàá lọ bímọ fún Igbo. Ṣé kí n lọ kó Obiezele ti gbà bọ̀dé. Olórí Obiezele ti gbà bọ̀dé. Ó ti lọ mú kámẹ́rà wá lọ plé ẹ̀ ní sí ẹ ti gbà bọ̀dé. A máa jogún yín ni. Àwa la máa jogún yín. Àgọ́ wa ló máa dájú yẹn gbẹ̀rẹ̀. A máa jogún yín. Láìsẹ̀ pé yìí nìkan ni aráàlú. Haúsá wà ń bí àgbà wọn láyè. Kàlàbá wà ń bí àgbà wọn láyè. Ẹ wá ń bèrè pé báwo ni tí wàá ṣe jẹ́.
And as I keep saying, Tinubu is the modern day Afonja in Yoruba land, and he will destroy, because for his sake, the Yoruba race will be in a very serious mess unless they abandon that idiot now. I call him an idiot with every reason in the world. A fool, a certificate forging criminal, a drug pusher in Chicago. Go and do your research on Tinubu. A drug pusher, a kleptomaniac extraordinaire, a thief of unimaginable, a living rogue, a stealing machine. All of you were there during election. Bank bullion van that used to carry money went to his house. All the guys said, Jagabana must go. A thief. He's also a murderer. He was instrumental in the slaughter of young Nigerian youths at your so-called Lekki toll gate. Have you all forgotten? Black people, have you all forgotten?
You've just heard a message that echoes the cries of the oppressed and the resolve of the free. At Biafra Battle Cry TV, we stand firm in amplifying voices that challenge tyranny and defend humanity. Stay vigilant, stay united, and never stop speaking truth to power. Until next time, keep the fire of freedom burning.